When your vehicle moves, your business moves. And as every kilometer matters, only trusted parts make the cut. Non-genuine and counterfeit products are risky. That's why our customers prefer Cummins ReCon products. A smart and sustainable choice with a wide product portfolio for the automotive market. Each ReCon product is remanufactured by Cummins' world-class manufacturing processes and rigorously tested for durability. ReCon parts are high quality and superior to repairs. This is why they are trusted across the world and are as good as new. Our offerings span injectors, NOx sensors, dozers, and more, all engineered for superior quality and longer runs. Cummins ReCon parts protect your fleets from unplanned disruptions, safety risks, extra costs. They are backed by a Cummins warranty, giving you peace of mind that your journeys are safe and business growth is on track.